I'm going to do a revised version of the HK Now store. Okay, over here, got some puzzles. I even got the prices. Impossible. Got some V-cubes. V-cube 6, V-cube 5. Got some chocolate. Got a Mickey Mouse. Insane 3x3. Super Scoop. Modifications of Scoop Ultimate and regular Scoops. Puzzle ball. Dog 3. Mega Minx. Other cool things. Crazy ass puzzles. Number cube. Some stickers. Just about anything you can imagine. Hello Kitty puzzle. Another Super Square One modification. Speed cubing lubricant. Speed cubing. Ah. Other unanimous things. Or random things. 3x3s. Oh, what's this thing called? I forgot what this is called. Oh, it's more 3x3s. Alexander Star. Oh, what's the price of this one?
200.
200 Hong Kong? Oh, okay. Alright. More 3x3s. Avoid cubes. Some stacking cups. Little stack timer. How much does a timer cost? This one?
This one is display price, minute display.
So 300 Hong Kong?
Yeah. This one is...
Got the speed stack. What's the price of a speed stack?
Timer?
Yeah, what's the price of it? Oh, 300 Hong Kong? Okay. Got some original square ones. Got some Rubik's Magic stuff. Some modifications. Little keychains. Lubricant spray. How much is lubricant spray?
60.
60 Hong Kong. Got some made in China 3x3x4. Other crazy stuff. V-cube stickers. How much does it cost for one package?
$20 for one set.
$20 for the whole thing?
One set.
Oh, okay. For one side? Oh, wow. Cube Smith stickers. Little V's. Other cool things. Got some rainbow cubes. 300 Hong Kong. Toy Fisher's Golden Cube. That one's broken. The whole set is 120 US dollars. Are they sold out? You sold out? Oh, not yet? Oh, there's still some here. Pyramids. And got another stack mat down here. This is like a versus competition, I guess. Like two people. And some more V-cubes. And other cool things up there. Alright, and that's it.